The fact that the DA immediately came out and said, you know what, we are going to try this case again, is that a surprise to you? And do you think they'll try to come back with that same second-degree murder charge? Because I think there were a lot of people who thought one of the problems with this case was that was a very substantive charge to bring in this case.
I'm not surprised that the prosecution came out to say, I mean, they have to say something, right? I mean, you just had a judge declare a mistrial in a case where a Boston police officer is dead. So obviously they're going to retry this case. The case has a lot of problems, and they're well aware of that. You have some witnesses who people believe have some credibility issues. You have some conflicts of interest. You have the collection of the evidence, which is unconventional to say the least, using red Solo cups and putting it in a Stop and Shop bag and not securing the evidence.
The lead investigator with some pretty terrible text messages to his friends and colleagues. The problems just went on and on, which is why I think so many people thought it would be a quick decision.
Right.
But Jennifer Roman, one of our legal analysts, pointed out last week, and I thought, as soon as she said this, I thought it was interesting. She said the second that they walk in for deliberations, if there's just one person who believes that the car hit John O'Keefe, then that can't be reconciled, that this will either be a hung jury or an acquittal. And that's what we ended up seeing. We have to assume that we don't know how many people out of the 12, 6 men, 6 women, believed that she was innocent, and how many people wanted to convict her.
Right, but like as you said, I mean, to convict her, you have to believe that she hit him. Yeah. And if you have just one person that says, based on what I heard in court, I don't believe that, that's impossible to reconcile.